Hi everybody, welcome to my channel The Key. I am Saeed. What will you do when you want to create a screenshot from your windows? You press print a screen key on your keyboard and then paste copied material into Paint, cut it and save it? Nice, but this is not a thing that a pro does. Instead, Windows has a native app which is called Snipping Tool, using which you can create pro screenshots. In this video I'm going to tell you how to use it. I will talk about some details about it. To use a snipping tool, first search for snipping. Here it is. By default it is on a specific mode which is called rectangular snip. I start with it. To have a screenshot, click on New. Everything gets blurred and then you can choose the area that you want. Your screenshot is created. You can click on File and then Save As, and a name and a direction. These are completely clear, but this one is very important. You can choose the output format, for example JPEG or PNG. Click on Save. Everything is done. Let's see the next mode. This is called freeform snip. You can choose every place that you want with various strange shapes like this. This is an image that you have created. Again, go to File, Save As, and change the format in a way that you want. For example, I want JPEG for this file. The next mode I want to show you is called full screen snip. Immediately when you click on it, it creates a screenshot from your desktop. And then the last mode is called window snip. It helps you create screenshots from single windows, for example this window or this one. As you see, it doesn't work. When I move toward one of them, it should create a frame around it and create a screenshot just from this specific window. But it doesn't work in many cases and you need to restart your computer. And there is a shortcut in Windows which helps you create screenshots effortlessly using a Snipping Tool app. Press Windows, Shift and S at the same time and you will see something like this. Now it is on freeform. I create something like this. Nothing to save. It is really saved on Windows clipboard. And again, Windows, Shift and S keys at the same time. I want to create now a rectangular screenshot like this. It is also saved on Windows clipboard. And then I can see them both in here. If you don't know about Windows clipboard, please watch my video on my channel which is related to clipboard. How to activate it and how to use it. It is extremely simple but extremely helpful. For example, I want to create a Word file and then paste these screenshots in it. The first one and then the second one. All in all, you can use Snipping Tool to create pro screenshots effortlessly. Thanks for watching this video, hope you enjoyed.